Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to improve your recording sound quality on Realme 12 Pro using Dolby On App. Firstly, open up Play Store and install Dolby On. When the installation has succeeded, you can open the app. Let's skip this part for now, not now, no thanks. Now go to the recording, record while using the app. Now let's rotate the camera. And let's maybe finish the recording now. Okay, got it. And now in the bottom left corner, you're going to click here. This is the video that I have just made. And now you can play the video. And if you click this button and this icon is gray, it means the video is raw. And if this button is to the right and this icon is like colorful, it means that the video is with Dolby On effect. So that's all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have no questions, write them in the comments.